Here is a local Spark dating app. Find your new local friends. It's not that popular dating app, but it's really growing in charts super fast recently. And let's just take a look. So, welcome to local Spark, where sparks fly and connections flourish. Our dating app is designed to bring local singles together based on shared lifestyles and compatibility match score, ensuring that your matches are not just exciting, but also deeply meaningful. So discover local singles who share your passions and interests. Local Spark goes beyond the surface, connecting you with people who align with your lifestyle choices, making every match a potential spark. So let's just, tap on it and see how you can sign in here. What's your nickname? And then you can just see here, and then you can just add photos, add your interest, and then that's what it is. And then you just swipe here, swipe dislike or swipe like. So that's how it works. You can also just send a chat message, then send a like, send messages, send here's your account, and then yeah, that's what it is here. And then private album, then there are messages, then there are likes, and then here it is. And then you can block, report a block. So yeah, super easy to use app, just alternative to Tinder basically. I guess it mostly has users in US and like some big cities in US. It's not, doesn't have that many users yet, but you can just take a look at it. So, if you're looking for some alternative for Badoo or Tinder, take a look at this app.